Good day to my future employer. My name is Mary Queen Biabuque. I'm 36 years of age and I'm from Tanay Rizal, Philippines. I'm happily married with two blessed children, ages 7 years old and 2 years old. I have a work experience as OFW, domestic helper, for almost 2 years and 9 months. I worked in Saudi, Middle East for 2 years and in 9 months in Hong Kong. I took care for children, ages 11, 12, 15, and 16 years of age. I started to wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning to do their breakfast sandwich, and after that, I cleaning the household chores, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, ironing, cooking, and baking. And I know how to cook a basic Arabian food. And in Hong Kong also, I started to wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning to do the breakfast sandwich, and I started my work cleaning the household chores, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, ironing, cooking, and baking. And I know how to cook basic Arabian, Chinese food. And I graduate as caregiver for almost 1 year. I do CPR and first aid. To my future employer, ma'am, sir, please give me a chance to work with you as your helper in your family because I'm a hardworking, trustworthy, honest, and very personable of my work. And I promise that I will love your children as my own because I'm a mother too. And I love the children very well. And I promise that I will finish my contract up to 2 years and many more as you needed me. And I'm willing to adapt a new environment. Thank you, ma'am, sir, and God bless. Hope to see you soon.